Vintage Artistry Butter collection that I just got. So this is a mini collection. It's got 4 double-sided papers and 2 laser sheets in it. And there's a bonus paper too on the back of the cover sheet that you can see here. See, it's all artsy. It's got some newsprint blended in, a lot of paint texture, tickets, splatters. It's a perfect foundation to get your project started. And let's see, we have this paper here. Again, a nice artsy watercolor drips on it, some hand-drawn roses and newsprint and handwriting and a little butterfly over here. And on the back side here, there's roses and a stitched document stack here that's really great because it gives you a starting point for your page. You kind of see that a photo would work nicely here. It anchors your page. Really nice. And then we have this page with daffodils and again a painted frame, again creating a bit of an anchor for your page, along with some paint texture, newsprint, engravings, lots of little vintage bits and pieces. And on the back side of this is a more tonal, artsy page with some newsprint again, some stitching and documents that help give the page some anchors to help you get started. It's, in some ways, it's like a pre-designed page, but just the foundation. And then you can add all kinds of wonderful things to it. And we have this page here with some painted roses. You can see everything is in a butter palette with some bits of greenery and creams mixed in. Vintage documents, paint textures, lots of hand-drawn flowers down here. If you can see that, lots of texture, lots of depth. Something I really like to do in my designs is to make sure the pages have a lot of depth. And on the back side of this, again, is a more tonal, light, butter, sunshine paper with some newsprint, stitched frame. Again, it gives you an anchor, makes your page really easy to get started. And then we have this last paper here, which again has some painted leaves in it, all blended, some quatrefoil painted and hand-drawn too. And we've got a stitched document stack. Again, gives you a great starting point. And on the back side of this sheet is a wonderful accent paper with a painted pattern in tonals. There's a little bit of green in here, some yellows. I don't know if you can see it, but really a nice calming background paper. And then the other thing in these mini kits are laser sheets. So we've got 2 laser sheets here and everything is punched already and ready to go. So you pop them out of the pages. See, they just kind of pop right off. And then you've got your stickers all ready to go. And because there's no sticky on the back, they're really easy to distress and create all kinds of layers. Lift them a little bit in your pages. And we've got all kinds of things here. We've got a hinged frame, butterflies, tickets, little labels, definitions, doily edgers, everything you could need. And then the second sheet has vintage postage, some daffodils, kind of reminiscent of what you saw in the papers, an iris, and even this lace. Can you see it here? Even the lace is all punched and ready to go. Really, really wonderful. And that is the Butter Mini Kit. More to come.